Okay, while talking about compression, there are different methods like zip or like tar. These are some compression method in Windows, right?
Yeah.
So when talking about Linux compression, then how can you compress multiple files to a single archive using the tar command?
Okay, so suppose like I have three files, like file one, file two, file three. Now I want to compress them in a single file, like suppose archive.tar. So for that, I can use the tar command. So the command will be tar space -cf. C means create and F means the file name. After that, I have to give the file name in which file I want to compress all of them. So suppose archive.tar, then space, then I have to specify the file names. So in that case, file one, file two, file three. And if I hit enter, then it will create a new archive.tar file in which all the file that I want to compress will be compressed together.
Okay, thank you.